Hey, it's Scott Young here. Hope you're doing well. So, you've heard some things about affiliate marketing. Maybe you've heard some wild money claims about how much people are making online through affiliate marketing. But is it right for you? Is affiliate marketing the career for you? Personally, I've seen everyone from auto mechanics to even heart surgeons change careers to affiliate marketing and make even more money than they had before, and they've been happier than they ever have been before. In most careers, you're trading time for money. So let's say you make $20 an hour. Well, what's the maximum number of hours that you can work in a day? Well, 24 is the maximum. But of course, you've got to sleep and you've got to eat and you've got to take care of some other things. So, maybe 10 hours, 12 hours a day. And so your income is capped by the number of hours that you have available in a day to work. Now, even a heart surgeon is capped by the number of surgeries he can physically do in a day. But an affiliate marketer has the potential to generate passive income and to grow that income without putting any additional time into the business. But before we jump into that, maybe we should cover, first of all, what is affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is simply connecting buyers that have a need to a product that is going to solve their need, and the affiliate marketer makes a commission for doing so. So here's an example. Let's say you're passionate about health and fitness, right? You love to talk about it, you love to write about it. So you have a blog where you write interesting and helpful articles about health and fitness. Now, within those articles, you have links to affiliate products that you're recommending and promoting to your visitors to help them along their path to health and fitness. Each time one of your visitors clicks on one of those links in your articles and they buy the product that you've recommended, you've helped them out and you've made a commission. It's really great. Your visitor has found a product that's actually going to help them in the area that they have a need, and you get a commission for doing that. Now, imagine you've worked on this blog for a good number of months and you've got it filled with really valuable content, blog articles, and everything that's helping people who visit that site who are interested in health and fitness. And the affiliate links in your articles all throughout your website are driving leads and sales and profits into your bank account every single day as people read your articles and click on the links. Now, what if you decide to go on a 2-week vacation? Will your income stop while you're on vacation? No, those articles and those affiliate links will continue to work for you while you're on vacation 24/7. And while you're on the beach sipping a margarita, your website is continuing to drive profits into your bank account through the beauty of affiliate marketing. No longer are you trading your time for money. The article that you wrote maybe a year or two ago is continuing to pay you for years and years. Most people would think this is a great career. And the good news is that anyone can actually do this as long as you've got an interest and a passion in some subject, in some niche, something that you're really interested in. Then there are dozens of products that you could promote in your area of interest and passion that people are going to want to buy. So whether you create a blog or whether you promote products on a YouTube channel or on Instagram or TikTok, as long as you're creating content about a interest that you are passionate about, that is going to resonate with your visitors. It's going to resonate with your audience and the people that eventually follow you. And so as these people get to know you, get to like you, get to trust you, they are going to take your recommendation for products. And the market is so huge that even a small sub niche, a small area of interest can easily generate a 6-figure income for you. But just like any career, you want to make sure that you get the right training from people who have actually been successful in the career that you're hoping to be successful in as well. I found a super high quality training program and mentorship program that has helped me to get on the path of a 6-figure income. If you want to check it out, I'm going to put a link below this video in the description. It's going to give you the step-by-step, over-the-shoulder help that you will need to be successful in your career as an affiliate marketer. So click the link in the description below this video. No pressure, but I hope that you'll check it out. Take care.